Ever thought creating an animation video was too complicated? Think again. Did you know you can make stunning animations right inside Canva and it's easier than you think? Intrigued? Stick around because today we're sharing some secrets to creating eye-catching animated videos with Canva that will wow your audience. Let's dive in and walk through the steps to make your own animated video in Canva. I'm Jane from TechFix Central and let's get started. Here are the 3 scenes we are creating with Canva AI animation tools. 1. I love to walk in the spring. First, let's head to the YouTube video, click on it, and once it opens, you'll see our pages. You can keep adding pages by simply clicking this button. We're going to make a simple video, but these tips work for any kind of video you want to create, whether it's for business, school, family, or just for fun. Today, I'm making a short video about the weather for kids, so we'll keep it simple. First, let's go to Elements and choose Landscape to get some backgrounds for our pages. Let's click on this graphic. It's a nice, sunny day. We'll spread it out a bit to fit our background. We've got a few clouds up here, so let's add a few more. We'll type clouds and find one that matches what we already have. This one looks good, so let's add it. Now, let's animate it. Click on the Animate button and you'll see several options. I'm going to choose this one to make the clouds move across the screen. Click on the B, grab the image, hold your mouse down, and drag it in the direction you want it to go. Easy, right? You've got options here too. You can pick smooth or steady, but I kinda like it a bit jumpy like this for some fun energy. I'll leave it that way for now. You can tweak the speed too, make it zippy or super slow. I'm keeping mine nice and slow. Alright, that looks good, so I'll hit done. Now I need someone walking in the scene. Check out these pre-animated people. Cool, right? I'll grab this guy and resize him to fit the landscape. Let's pull him over a tad so he's just off the page, not totally gone. Click Animate. Again, hit that B button, grab him, hold down your mouse, and drag him where you want him to stroll. Boom, there he goes. Looks solid, so we'll click Done. Next up, let's add a sun. Search for sun and pick this one. I'll plop it in, but I want it behind the cloud for a cool effect, like the cloud rolling over it. To do that, click Position, head to Layers, and drag the cloud on top of the sun. Now, as the scene plays, the cloud covers it up nicely. Scene 2. I love to skate in the winter. Okay, for our next scene, let's switch to something cold, like a winter vibe. Grab a winter graphic and blow it up to fill the page. Sweet! Now, add some kids ice skating. Search ice skating and look for animated ones. This'll work. I'll pull them down here. I was thinking of a pond, but let's get creative instead. First, add a bear and place him down low. Then grab a frog and pop him there too. Head back to Elements, snag a circle, squish it into an oval shape, and position it like a pond. Change the color to something icy. And adjust where it sits. Oops, it's covering the skaters. Let's fix that by moving the pond layer down. Alright, now the skaters, flip one to go left, the other right. Animate them, click Animate, grab the bee and drag to make them glide. Make this one bigger for flair. Whoa, that's one talented skater. Do the same for the bear, animate, click B and drag him back and forth. Not too far. Perfect hit, done. To jazz it up, add some winter plants in the front. Search winter plants in graphics, pick a few and duplicate them to fill that empty space, especially around the pond. Finally, we need snow. Let's add some falling snow effects to make it feel wintry and magical. Let's hunt for some animations. Ooh, this one looks perfect. We'll grab it and stretch it to fit the page better. If you click transparency, you can tweak how see-through it is. I'll make mine a tad darker for that cozy winter feel. There we go. Hit play and check it out. Nice, right? Scene 3. I love to watch it rain. Alright, time for another scene. Let's whip up a rainy one. Pop a tree in there like this. It's sunny now, but we'll fix that soon. Add some birds, maybe make this little guy fly around. He's already flapping, but let's animate him too. Click the bee, drag him across the screen, and done. That works. Toss in a few birds on the ground. This one's cute. Maybe it's pecking for food. We'll duplicate it so it has a buddy. Now, the rain. You can do this a bunch of ways. I'll show you 2 quick tricks. First, duplicate this rain graphic since it doesn't cover everything. Line them up side by side, select both and group them. Then animate with Flicker Bam. It looks like it's pouring. Pretty cool, huh? Or try this. Ditch those. Go to videos. Search rain and add this one to fill the screen. It might look wild at first, but click the video, crank up the transparency to lighten it way up. Now when it plays, it's like sleet or hail works for our vibe. Oh, and it stretched our page longer, so we'll trim it back. Watch the rain now, those poor birds. I'll extend each page a smidge to let it breathe. To make things smoother between scenes, add transitions. Click here, hit the plus for a new page if needed, then pick from these options. Hover over M to preview, fun. I'll go with the dissolve for now. Set it to about 1 second. For the next, how about a slide? Change the direction. I'll make it swoop this way and tweak the timing. Okay, video's done. Let's download. Go to File, hit Download, pick MP4 and leave the rest alone. It'll save to your computer. Mine's downloading now. Tada! Here it is. I love to walk in the spring. I love to skate in the winter. I love to watch it rain. Boom, a complete video. Take these tricks and run with them. Make a fun kid's story or something slick for business. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and share with your pals. Until next time, keep creating, innovating, and making magic with AI. Thanks for watching.